Hi, I'm here. My name is Sang, and it is 11 o'clock now. At the beginning of the video, you can see my whole team, but I got some problems that I can do my English speaking project in the classroom, and I am trying to do it at home. And now we will get to the point. The topic that we are going to talk about is environmental problems. From a point of view, the environmental protection has already become an attractive topic to governments in many countries, organizations, or individuals, and it is being more and more important nowadays when we have to deal with global warming and climate change, what is destroying our planet. Maybe you, me, and many people may have the same question. So, what are the consequences of destroying environment? Okay, and first, the environmental problems can have bad influence on the economy of many countries so that it causes a lot of problems in our society. For example, our country, Vietnam, lost about $10 billion in 2020 by climate change. The rising sea levels, the Great Storm destroyed a large area of settlement and caused serious consequences to Vietnam's agriculture, commercial, and so on. Second, global warming and climate change make living conditions for humans, plants, and animals be more and more difficult, and there are many reasons for the devastation of ecosystem. For instance, the depletion of ozone layer can make solar radiation be more dangerous to our health. Why? Because the ozone layer play an important role to help people avoid the danger of solar radiations would cause many diseases such as skin cancer, and the amount of toxic gas what comes from many factories is a challenge to the ozone layer.
Earth's atmosphere is made up of 6 layers. The second layer, called the stratosphere, contains the ozone layer. The ozone layer is made up of a highly reactive molecule called ozone, which contains 3 oxygen atoms. Ozone is a trace gas in the atmosphere. There are only about 3 molecules for every 10 million molecules of air. But it does a very important job. The ozone layer acts as Earth's sunscreen, absorbing about 98% of damaging ultraviolet or UV light. But the ozone layer has gotten thinner. Chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, are the primary culprits in ozone layer breakdown. A CFC is a molecule that contains the elements carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. CFCs are mostly found in refrigerants, aerosols, and plastic products. When CFCs are exposed to ultraviolet rays in the atmosphere, they break down into substances that include chlorine. The chlorine reacts with the oxygen atoms in ozone and rips apart the ozone molecule.
And we will have other question. What we have to do to protect our life and nature. To find the solutions is not very hard, but we need to work together. We can start by doing small things first, such as reduce the amount of plastic bag that we use in our life, take part in environmental protections activities, or plant more trees. Moreover, we can donate our money to the environmental organizations or raise local people's awareness of protecting the environment. In short, we need to pay more attention to the environment because it plays an important role in our life. By start taking small actions first, we can make a big change. Hooray! I'm going to sleep. Goodbye.